Welcome to eWay Podcasts, podcasts from the world of CRM, business, and entrepreneurship. Today, we'll have a look at a specific use case, that is, how the integration of accounting software with the CRM can make the lives of yourself and your management easier. You've probably already heard of QuickBooks Online, one of the most popular accounting softwares from Intuit Inc. In today's podcast, we will first talk about the biggest challenge a growing company using QBO, as is commonly called QuickBooks Online, faces. Then, we'll present you with 3 questions to ask yourself to find out if you could benefit from the integration of QBO and a CRM system. Let's get into it. First part, is QBO enough? QBO is ideal for small and medium-sized businesses. Having said that, according to some users, it simply cannot keep up with a growing business. As your employee base increases, so do your needs for keeping, management, and accessibility of all data about your clients. And at a certain point, you inevitably arrive at a question if QuickBooks can also be used as a CRM system. It is true that QBO contains a wide range of features, such as invoice management, financial returns, or cash flow management. It basically has all the features that a CFO and accountants need for their work. Some of these features are also highly useful for sales representatives. But salespeople usually use CRM systems, and here lies the first obstacle. What happens when a salesperson needs to get a list of invoices or see all ongoing orders of a certain client? They have to fire up a different software, provided that they actually have access to it, and dig up the information in there. Switching between 2 different systems usually interrupts the workflow, and putting together data from separate systems is also not ideal. And there are other issues, like having to enter the same information about a client several times. We briefly glossed over a few limitations that you might encounter as your business grows. While QBO is an awesome accounting system, it struggles to keep up with the needs and requirements coming from your sales department, especially as your team grows. So, let's figure out how we can make the whole workflow easier. Second part, do you need a CRM system in addition to a QBO? In order to see if the integration of QuickBooks with a CRM system fixes these issues for you, you have to ask yourself 3 questions. Let's see what they are. First question, does your sales team have access to the required information about your customers and projects? It is true that your sales team should not have access to all data from QBS. However, if your salespeople are missing access to context or project details, it would be much more efficient to store this data in a CRM system. In CRM software, everyone has access to all the information they need. Second question, are you able to track your business opportunities? QBO offers you the possibility to work on projects for your actual clients, but what happens when you need to track your business opportunities and leads? You have to switch to your CRM system, where you can see the progress and store all relevant information about any potential business opportunity. And the information has to stay in the CRM system until it becomes an actual client and you file it in QBO. The third question, do you have to enter the same data into 2 or more systems? When you integrate your systems, you eliminate any need for duplicate data entry, which can save you a lot of otherwise wasted time. Simple integration of QBO with a CRM system makes sure that your sales, marketing, project managers, accountants, or customer service personnel always find the information they need in one place. And there you have it. If your sales team doesn't have access to all data from QBS, if you need a way to track all business opportunities, and if you have to enter the same data into 2 or more systems, you will benefit from integrating QBO and a CRM system. The joined solution will store all information about your customers in one place. Then everyone, be it salespeople, accounting, or even your marketing specialists, will have easy access to the right information they need to bring new business home. In today's episode, we talked about accounting software QuickBooks Online and about the possible limitations you might face using this software as your company grows. Then, we went over 3 important questions in order to see if the integration of QBO and CRM software might be beneficial for your company. Last, we looked at the benefits of such integration, like making information storage and sharing throughout your company easier and more efficient. If you'd like to find out more about QuickBooks integration with our eWay-CRM system, please have a look at our website. You will find all the information you need in the integration section. You've been listening to an eWay podcast. The article was written by Andres Svoboda, spoken by Cliff Coma. For more inspirational audio records, please visit our blog at blog.eway-crm.com, podcast section.